All right, this is our second grade math. We're introducing topic 5, subtracting within 100 using strategies. What are strategies for subtracting numbers to 100? So this is a math and science project you can do on your own if you'd like to, but let's go ahead and get started with reviewing our vocabulary that we need to have going into this topic. Circle each difference. Remember, a difference is what we get when we subtract. A sum is what we get when we add. Circle each difference in the math problems shown below. Okay, 15 minus 5 is 10. That is the answer we get after we sub. This is addition, so we won't even get anything out of that. That's a sum, not a difference. And the answer when we subtract here is also a difference. All right. Circle this statement if it describes mental math. Math that is done with paper and pencil, or math that you can do in your head. Well, it's definitely going to be in our head because mental refers to our head. Circle the statement if it describes compatible numbers. Numbers that are close to numbers that you want to add or subtract. Yes, remember this is how we kind of make groups of 10. Numbers that you can add or subtract using mental math. Yep, both of these are definitions of compatible numbers. Okay, number 4, addition and subtraction facts. Complete the related addition and subtraction facts below. 6 plus what equals 13? 6 plus 7 equals 13. So let's take a look. These are related. So we have 6 plus 7 equals 13. So 13 minus 7 also equals 6. Okay, write each sum or difference. Again, sum is what we get when we add. Difference is what we get when we subtract. 4 plus 7 is 11. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 16 minus 8 is 8. All right, let's take a look at our math story. Tim has 25 stamps. Roy gives him 51 more stamps. More lets us know we're probably going to add. How many stamps does Tim have now? So I'm just going to stack them and add them. 25 plus 51. I want to make sure I have my ones column and my tens column lined up. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we get a total of 76 stamps. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our lesson 5-1 here. We've got a big hundreds chart we're taking a look at. All right. How can you use the 100 chart to help you find 57 minus 23? Explain and write an equation. So we have 57 right here, and we need to subtract 23. So I'm going to write that 57 minus 23. So when we add, we go down, correct? We add plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. But this time we're going to subtract. So we're going to need to go up where the numbers are smaller. 57 minus 10 minus 20 puts us here, but we need to go backwards 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is going to put us at 34. So we're using the hundreds chart a little bit differently now that we are subtracting. And we could do it 23. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 23. But we know that this is going to be minus 10, because as we go down, we're adding plus 10. As we go up, we're subtracting groups of 10. All right, let's go over to our back page here. All right. Find 43 minus 28 using a hundreds chart. I need to find the difference between 28 and 43. So start at 28. Count to the next number that matches the ones in 43. Count by ones. I counted 5 ones to get from 28 to 33. Or count by tens to 43. That's 1 10 or 10 more. So 25 plus 15 equals 43, and 43 plus 28 equals 15. So we can use hundreds charts to use addition to solve subtraction and vice versa. All right, how can you use a 100 chart to find 60 minus 18? So let's see, I would start at 60. Start at 60. And we would go back one. So if we're at 60, I would go up one row to 50 and go up one row to 50, and then we would go back 8 spaces. And so this is to the left and to the left 8 spaces. All right, so 69 right here minus 33. Now this is, 69 minus 36 equals 33. My eyes were moving faster than my brain. So this is showing how we can add up. We can start at 36 and go up to 69 this way. Or you can start at 69 and go backwards that way. Either way works. So something equals 65 minus 34. So I'm going to start at 65 and I'm going to minus 34. 10, 20, 30. And then we're going to go back 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got an answer or a difference of 31. Okay, let's try this again. 54 minus 24. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 1, 2, 3, and we have to go back 1 more, 4. So we get a difference of 30. Okay, 47 minus 22. We're going to start at 47 minus 10 minus 20, and then we have to go back 2 more. 1, 2. Gives us a difference of 25. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our next page. It's our independent practice. And we can come back and check our answers as needed. So for our independent practice part, we will do 5 through 11 on our own. Then we'll come back and do algebra together. All right, and again, please be sure to pause the video as needed. And then if you need some help, you can turn the video back on. All right, let's take a look at this. 54 minus 7. So I'm going to go 54 minus 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puts us at 47. Something equals 96 minus 63. So I'm going to start at 96, 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. Puts me at, let's see, we subtracted back how many? 96. Oh, I only did 33. I was supposed to do 63. So let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 equals 33. Okay, 45 minus 22. We're going to go 45 minus 22. Minus 10, minus 20, 21, 22. Puts me at 23. So we've got lots of hops all over our hundreds chart, but that is great. I love seeing that. All right, let's do 82 minus 61. 82 minus 61. Ready? So let's see, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and minus 1 more puts us at 21. Okay, 65 minus 21. So we're going to start at 65 right here. Look at that big mess. 65 minus 21. Ready? 10, 20, and then subtracting 1 puts us at 44. And this will be easier at home for you to look at because you're doing it in pencil. I have to do mine in pen so it will show up okay on the video, so it's always a little bit trickier to see. All right, 79 minus 47. 79 minus 47. 10, 20, 30, 40 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 puts me at 32. And then 84 minus 6. So 84 minus 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hopped here to 4. 5, 6 puts us at 78. All right, algebra. Write the digit that makes each equation true. All right, 73 minus something equals 41. So let's take a look at the ones first. Let's see if the ones are true. 3 minus 2 is 1. Yes, so that means we aren't regrouping. We don't need to regroup and have an extra group of 10 somewhere. 7 minus something is 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, let's take a look at this bottom one. Something here minus 2 equals 6. Ooh, I think we're going to have to regroup that one. Let's see. 6 plus 2 is 8. Actually, we don't have to regroup it. Look at that. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. We are good. We did not need to regroup on that one. Let's take a look at this one. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Yes, so we don't have to regroup. 4 minus what equals 1? 4 minus 3 equals 1. All right, let's take a look at this one. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So we didn't have to regroup. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We don't need to regroup our ones. So 5 minus what equals 3? 5 minus 2 equals 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So 9 minus what equals 1? 9 minus 8 equals 1. All right. Let's go ahead and head to our last page here. All right, Darren's puzzle has 98 pieces. Darren fits 55 pieces together. How many more pieces does Darren still need to fit to complete the puzzle? So we know he has 98 minus the 55 he's already done. How many are left? So I'm going to go ahead and start at 98 here. 98 minus 55. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So we have an answer of 43. 43 pieces. All right, a test has 86 questions. Glenda needs to answer 23 more questions to finish the test. How many test questions has Glenda already finished? So we know our equation is 86 minus 23 equals. So we're going to start at 86 right here, and we're going to go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And it puts us at 63. So she has 63 more questions to finish. All right, Chris wants to subtract 76 minus 42. Write the steps he can take to subtract 42 from 76 on the 100 chart. So he would start at 76. So start at 76. And so let's go ahead and do that together. 76 minus 42. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that would put us at 36. Okay? Move up 4 times, right? And then we're going to subtract 2 times because it was 42. And so we are moving to the left. And move to the left 2 times. All right, so if we ended up at 36, we would go 2 times 35, 34. So it would equal 34. So 76 minus 42 equals 34. All right, here is our assessment. Again, we're going to have questions just like this on the test, so let's get ready. Lou has 75 buttons. 49 of the buttons are green. The rest of the buttons are red. How many of the buttons are red? So 75 buttons minus 49 green equals blank red buttons. So let's go ahead and use our number chart. I'm going to have you pause the video. All right, let's take a look. 75 minus 49. 75 minus 10, 20, 30, 40 puts us at 35 minus 9 more, correct? So we've got to go back 9 more. So that is going to put us at 26. All right, great job, everybody.